Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Sweet Catcher right here. If you are new, support into this down below, please. And if you're not new, welcome back home. So, if I'm going to show you guys how to make your own DIY Ayurvedic hair growth oil. You first need a base oil. I'm going to be using the Goya extra virgin olive oil. I end up using 2 bottles of this oil actually. Then you also need your Ayurvedic powders. I'm going to be using Neem powder, Fenugreek seeds, Hibiscus powder, and Baobab powder. My powders were locally sourced from an Instagram trader, and I have his Instagram linked down below. I poured my oil into a plastic jar that has a lid. Because this oil has to be infused with the powders for a while. I used 2 bottles of my Goya extra virgin olive oil, and I added about 2 tablespoons of my palm kernel oil, because this is like a staple in all my DIYs these days. After which I started adding my powders. I started off with my fenugreek seed. I added 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek seed. And then I added about a tablespoon of my hibiscus powder, a tablespoon of my neem powder, and a tablespoon of my baobab powder. And I just mixed everything up in the jar. I also added a few drops of glycerin, just for the extra moisture and every other goodness, And I let this thing sit for about 3 days. I actually boiled this thing in a hot water bath, because I wanted the oil to infuse faster, because I wasn't patient enough. You can let yours infuse for about a week, 2 weeks, or even a month if you have the patience. The longer the better. After which, I had to sieve out the powders and just put the oil in a bottle. And this is how the oil looks, quite dark because of my palm kernel oil. This is just me applying. This is how I apply it to my scalp. I first moisturize my hair with my Ziza Empire leave-in conditioner. And I apply this oil to my scalp. This oil has a very runny consistency. Those are the reasons why I like it, because it's not very thick. It has a very runny consistency. I just cover my hair with my satin bonnet and do the normal. You all know the regs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please tell me down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow my social media platforms and natural catching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.